AI model, detailed explanation of the video titled PlayerWise Status.mp4, based on extracted several keyframes from the video. Below is the structured interpretation. AI/ML model by Pradeep K. Suri. Movie camera video title, PlayerWise Status. Pushpin explanation of the video in detail. Brain objective of the video. The video is designed to visually communicate the real-time condition or performance status of each player in a team, most likely in a sport such as football, hockey, or basketball. It appears to be used by coaches for tactical decision-making, physiotherapists/medical staff for health status monitoring, analysts for performance tracking, AI engine for automated player health and stamina prediction. Video game visual elements observed in the frames. Each frame displays multiple player positions, with visual indicators likely representing the following. Visual cue possible meaning. Red circle red color player is injured or unavailable. Orange circle orange/yellow player is fatigued or caution zone. Green circle green player is active and healthy. White circle white/gray player is substitute or bench. Chart decreasing down arrow or % downward arrow performance or stamina decreasing. Chart increasing up arrow or % upward arrow performance or stamina improving. Stopwatch timer icon time on field/rest status/cooldown. Gear AI/ML role, if AI powered system. If this video is part of an AI engine system, it may include deep neural network, DNN, processing inputs like heart rate, distance covered, sprint count, injury history, etc. Real-time classification of player status. Output, fit, fatigue warning, high injury risk, etc. Predictive analytics. Estimate next 15 minutes performance drop or substitution requirement. Chart increasing reports and graphs you can derive. 1 player fitness dashboard. % fitness for each player. 2 injury risk report. Flag high risk players by color. 3 substitution timing recommendation. Based on fatigue and drop in performance. 4 heat map of performance. Across time intervals. 5 team readiness summary. % of players in ready vs fatigued vs injured. Busts in silhouette interpretation by management roles. Office worker coach or manager. Decide whom to substitute. Monitor player fatigue zones. Tactical strategy on player rotation. Health worker medical staff. Immediate visual alerts on injury trends. Early detection of overload. Technologist AI/ML architect. Can use this video as output of a real-time DNN engine. Input layers, biosensor data, match load, previous injury. Output layer, player health prediction. Bar chart top management or sponsors. View overall team condition. Justify training effectiveness and ROI. Receipt recommendation. If desired, DNN network can provide a Python dashboard using Plotly/Dash. A PowerPoint presentation for boardroom reporting. A voice-over MP4 explainer with professional narration. We can provide 1. Extract all player names and status from the video. 2. Provide a tabular status summary. 3. Build a live dashboard prototype based on this model. Thank you.